I think we always had a little bit of a struggle with the system on-prem, with upgrades and staying up to date with the latest things coming out in the software. So we saw the cloud as an opportunity to mitigate that, number one. And then also, as we started building more recs and putting more data into Frontier, there was a little bit of a scale issue as well with on-prem server space. So we thought that the cloud would allow us, first and foremost, to stay up to date with the software, number two, to scale as slowly or rapidly as we really wanted to. And then from a support standpoint, if we needed reconciliations built, it's a lot simpler for Trintech to have access to our cloud hosted software instead of them having to either come in the office or do things over WebEx or have a VPN set up or whatever it looks like. So those three things were my main decision makers, and we've seen good production from all of that since converting in April. We kicked off in January of this year, and we were slated to go live mid-May, and things really went so smoothly that we closed the books in April and then pushed the upgrade up to April because we had so much done, we didn't really see a sense in waiting a whole nother month. So we were actually ahead of schedule, which was great. I mean, it was one thing that we could check off the list and move on to the next project. How the software operates is very, very smooth. And if there is a rare problem, Trintech support is very responsive, and we usually get that figured out same day or within only a few hours span of time. We have already had recons built in conjunction with professional services where they've helped us. That's been a really seamless thing. We've been able to watch the build, test, do all that kind of stuff in a very short span of time, where the logistics of that on-prem get a little trickier. So it's been really smooth with all of that. And then we are putting more and more transactions into Frontier. We're trying to build more and more recs, and we're not seeing any latency. And again, like I said, we're able to scale up, which we are going to continue to scale up without any issues, without having server constraints or IT resource constraints or anything like that. That's all handled for us.